Hello, today we have a fun job. We need to look at some pairs of sets and find out which ones are equal. Let's learn what equal sets means first. Here is the big rule. Two sets are equal only when they have the exact same things inside. The order does not matter at all. If even one thing is different or missing, they are not equal. Let's look at pair 1. Set A has 3, 6, 9 and 12. Set B has 9, 12, 3 and 6. Do you see? They have the exact same numbers. They are just written in a different order. Since both sets have the same 4 numbers, A and B are equal. Remember, the order we write them in does not change anything. Now let's look at pair 2. Set C has 5 letters A, E, I, O and U. Set D has only 4 letters A, E, I and O. Oh, the letter U is missing from set D. Because the letter U is in set C but not in set D, they are not equal. If even one thing is missing, the sets cannot be equal. Now, pair 3. Set E has the numbers 2, 3, 5 and 7. Set F says it is the first 4 prime numbers. Let's figure out what those prime numbers are. The first prime number is 2, then 3, then 5, then 7. So the first 4 prime numbers are 2, 3, 5 and 7. That means set F is the same as 2, 3, 5, 7. Both set E and set F have the exact same numbers 2, 3, 5 and 7. So they are equal. It does not matter that one was written with numbers and the other with words. Last pair. Set G has letters A, B, C and D. Set H has numbers 2, 4, 6 and 8. These are completely different things. Letters and numbers are not the same. Since the things inside are completely different, G and H are not equal. They both have 4 things, so they are the same size. But equal means the same things inside, not just the same count. Great job, we found our answer. Pair 1, A and B are equal, and pair 3, E and F are equal. The other 2 pairs are not equal. Remember, equal sets must have the exact same things inside. Order does not matter, but every single thing must match.